Hello and welcome back to Human. Today we are diving into a super nutritious meal prep recipe that's perfect for the week ahead. Liver with vegetables. Liver is an amazing superfood that's often overlooked. It's packed with high quality protein, which is essential for muscle repair and growth. It's also loaded with vital vitamins like vitamin A, B12, and folate, which support our immune system, energy levels, and overall health. Let's get started with our recipe. First, we slice the liver into thin, elongated pieces. I've also added some pieces of heart for extra nutrition. Next, we add our spices, salt, onion powder, black pepper, oregano, turmeric, cumin, garlic powder, a tablespoon of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of virgin olive oil, and the juice of 1 large lemon. Mix them well and let it marinate for 2 hours. While the liver is marinating, let's prepare our vegetables. We'll need 2 medium-sized onions, 1 large tomato, and 2 large green bell peppers. Dice the onions and tomato into cubes. Slice the bell peppers into elongated pieces. After marinating, heat a large frying pan, preferably ceramic or stainless steel, and add some butter. Fry the liver on high heat for 3 minutes, stirring continuously with a silicone or wooden spatula. Now, add the sliced vegetables to the pan. Cook with the liver for 3 to 5 minutes on medium heat, stirring frequently to combine all the flavors. Once cooked, distribute the liver and vegetables into 3 glass containers. Cover them and keep them refrigerated. This will be your nutritious meal for 3 days every other day. And there we have it, a delicious, nutrient-packed liver and vegetables meal prep ready for the week. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more healthy recipes from Men Human. See you next time.